This is Sam. I just wanted to make a quick video showing you how to turn on developer mode in your Android device. I'm using the Samsung S9 Plus, but this should work on any Android phone. We're going to tap on settings. We're going to scroll down to about phone, and we will go to software information, and on the build number right here, we're going to tap on it 7 times. We're going to put in our unlock code pattern, and now if you go back, you will see at the bottom of the settings page the developer options, and you can just tap on it, and this is where you have the developer options. Thanks a lot for watching, guys, and see you guys next time.